It's a good color. Looks like everything's back, good condition, like the colors. Let's see if we can get this stuff back together.
What's going on, and welcome back to our 2017 Mustang build series. This is episode 6, and just like that, we're already in the back half of our series. We just picked everything up from powder coating. It looks good, the colors are right. So you may notice something a little bit different about the car already. That's because while we're waiting for everything to get back from powder coating, we went ahead and got the roof wrapped and also the mirrors. So here's a little flashback of that. So, before we start putting the powder coated items on the car, priority number 1 is changing out the clutch to the new one, getting the transmission back in the car along with the new drive shaft. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that.
All right, so I say we grab the flex plate and the clutch, put it up over here, and I'll take this off and we'll match everything up, make sure we're good. Fancy.
Right, just like the bike.
Look at this. Look at this. Here's another.
Gold thread. Match all the others.
Well, I guess it's not terrible for 2,000 miles, but it's not good. All right, one more bolt. There we go. We're gonna put this up in there first. I'm gonna clean this surface, and then we'll start putting all that stuff on, and be good to go. Okay. Want to make sure that there's no dirt or grease on the flywheel, so. Let's move on to putting the shifter onto the transmission. Try that side. Okay. I'm going to remove these two bolts right here that's on the back of the transmission mount. We're going to put this bracket right here. Use the longer bolts to attach it. That way we can start assembling the shifter. This bracket here is going to come up in here, sit between this, and our shift linkage is going to connect right here. Now it looks like all right, that's on. Let's move on, I guess, putting the cartridge in. Upon inspecting everything, we got the shifter cartridge to fit back in. Found out it goes this direction, slides down in there where it should be. We get through all the gears. The reverse lockout works, but with how tall this thing is, we have the option of being able to do this inside the car. We're gonna take this cartridge out and not have to fight with it when we go to put the trans back in. So we'll put this off the side and we'll do this when we go back into the car. All right. trans back up in place, get that buttoned up, and then we can start hooking up the drive shaft. We are going from a 2-piece to a 1-piece because this is overall stronger, gives you more reliability because there's less moving parts that can potentially fail. It's lighter and gets you a better connection from the power from the trans to the rear. So we're doing this as a preventative maintenance. We don't want it to break while we're driving it, so just trying to be cautious. Place the rear adapter in there and see what we get. All right. Now I'm going to put the front flange adapter on right here. Like that. Let's make sure everything clears. Okay. Already looks better. All right, let's put the exhaust up. There we go. All right, on the side of my part. Okay. All right, back up. Okay. And watch your fingers. That way. All right, that's it for today. Let's move on with.
All right, that is gonna be it for episode 6. On the next episode, we're gonna start putting these powder coat pieces back together so we can get them back on the car. We're also gonna put the new suspension on and get the wheels mounted. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We don't want you to miss out on any of the action, and we will see you on the next one.